Another fight, another shattered frame, screaming through walls, playing the same game. You throw your lies like gasoline on flame. I like a match, yeah, we're both insane. Punching doors, sending threats at 3 a.m. You pack your bags, then you're back again. Your tears on the floor, my fist in the wall. We're toxic as hell, but we crave it all. I hate you, but I hate you without you even more. We fight, we bleed, we scream, we need, but we drown together, chained forever. Hate you, love you, die with you too. Our scars run deep, when this bond we keep. Both raised in hell since we were kids. Broken homes, locked doors, bleeding eyelids. Now we're grown, but stuck in the script. Two trauma-loaded guns with safety flips. You smash my phone, I break your pride. You burn my stuff, I crash your ride. We love like war, with no ceasefire, but at night we fall back in the fire. Go ahead, leave, but wait, like you did last time, right?